The U.S. factory teams from Chevrolet, Ford and Porsche have had their entries for this year's Le Mans 24 Hours confirmed. Corvette Racing will return to Le Mans on June 15-16 with a pair of C7R GTE Pro entries for its 20th consecutive participation in the French Enduro. They will again be joined by 2 cars each from the Chip Ganassi Ford and Core Run factory Porsche squads that race against them in the IMSA Sports Car Championship. The Risi Company's Ione team, another IMSA Series competitor, has also been awarded an entry for a solo Ferrari 488 GTE. The U.S. teams were among the second raft of entries revealed for the final round of the 2018-19 World Endurance Championship Super Season. The 18 cars announced on Friday complete the 60-strong entry for Le Mans. The first 42 cars were revealed last month. The Chevrolet Corvettes and the Ford GTs will be driven by unchanged lineups from last season, while Porsche announced its projected lineups in December. Risi has announced Stéphane Ortelli, overall Le Mans winner in 1998, and team regular Pierre Caffer as its first 2 nominated drivers. The 7 U.S. entries bring the GTE Pro field up to 17 cars for Le Mans. There are a further 8 entries in LMP2, including 3 gained by teams for their successes in the 2018-19 Asian Le Mans Series. The Anglo-American United Autosports has been awarded an entry for winning the Asian Series, but its second entry, whose drivers include Alex Brundle, has only made the reserve list. Panis Barthez Competition, Graf Racing, Algarve Pro and Villorba Course, all regulars in the European Le Mans Series, have again been given grid slots for Le Mans. 3 additional entries in GTEM include a Kessel Racing Ferrari for an all-female lineup and Japanese entrant Kargai Racing, which gained its entry for winning the GT class in the Asian LMS. Top of the 10-car reserve list is the Duke NA Engineering LMP2 squad, with the second cars from United and Panis Barthez taking 3rd and 5th spots. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email.